I've chased the stars on mountain heights, built my dreams where ambition lies. But in the quiet I hear the call to rise in ways that serve it all. The climb within, it sets me free from what I thought I had to be. Through clouds of doubt, I'll find my way to purpose clear as gray of day. I've worn the crown of what they see, but lost the truth inside of me. Now I stand where spirit leads, rooted deep in what I need. No need to race, no need to prove. The heart will show the path to move through every step. The soul will find the mountain summit lies inside. The climb within sets me free from what I thought I had to be. Through clouds of doubt, I find my way to purpose clear as gray of day.